Hello and thank you for watching today's unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing and assembling the LC-105 lift chair by Pride Mobility. The LC-105 is part of the Essential Collection. It's tax-free and we offer free shipping at mobilityscootersdirect.com. All you'll need to get started is either a box cutter or something sharp to cut the tape along the top of the box. Be very careful cutting the tape. Don't cut too deep because you can cut the chair. Again, be very careful how you open the box if you use something sharp. Inside the top of the box, you'll find the user manual. Make sure to read that entirely and keep it handy. You'll also want to make sure to keep the packaging and the box itself for a few days just in case you need to return your item. In the bag on top of the chair, you'll find the sleeves for the headrest, the armrest, the remote control, and the power supply. The first thing you're going to want to do is identify where the bottom of the chair is. And you're going to want to face that forward. So as you can see, we've identified the legs of the chair and we're spinning it around, and we'll show you why we're doing that in just a second. So what you want to do is look for the leveling footrests that are at the bottom of the chair, and that's going to allow you to identify where the backrest is. The backrest is cushioned right behind the main part of the chair. You can reach down into the box with both hands, pull straight up. As you can see, it will slide right out. It is wrapped in some styrofoam sheeting. Go ahead and put the back of the chair to the side, and this is where we're going to tip the chair forward so that it's sitting on its legs while it's in the box. This is the easiest way to take the chair out of the box without damaging the box. You can put your foot there on the base so that the box doesn't move as you pull the chair out. So again, this is going to allow you to preserve the box without really damaging that box, and allow you to take it out with just one set of hands. You may need two people if it's too heavy for you, but as you can see, it is totally possible with one person that has the hand strength to remove a chair like this out of a box. The next thing you're going to want to do is grab the remote control, find the harness connector towards the rear on the back side of the chair. There's no wrong way to plug it in. Just attach the barrel connector and close the clip as seen here. The next thing you're going to want to do is locate the cable for the power supply, which is zipped tied to the bottom part of the frame. Just go ahead and untwist that little twist tie. It's actually a twist tie, not a zip tie, and release that cable. You'll want to fish that cable underneath that little bar towards the back of the chair, because that's going to plug into the power adapter, which is going to supply power to the chair. You'll need to plug the other end of the power adapter to the box, and that other end has the wall cable, which plugs into a standard wall outlet. So just find the connections. There's no wrong way to do it. Again, the cable that comes out of the back of the chair plugs right into the transformer or the adapter, and then that cable that plugs into the wall also plugs into the adapter on the other side. So once you have that all connected, just go ahead and plug the chair in, and you can grab the back of the seat and get ready to install that. I like to rest it on the top of the chair like this so that you can kind of start to see where the connection points are going to attach. There are two rails that slide into the sleeves on the left and right side of the chair. The two rails are on the bottom part of the chair, and there are two sleeves on the top part of the chair. Make connection with one first. As you can see on the right side, we've got the rail sliding right into the right hand sleeve. Once that's semi-connected, you can go ahead and line up the other rail on the left side with the left side sleeve, and once they're connected, you just push down very firmly and you're going to hear a click. You can try pulling up to see if it's connected, and if it doesn't pull up, then you did it right and it's connected. After that, you'll want to go ahead and slide the Velcro from the middle outwards to attach the back of the chair down to the bottom. It's just used with Velcro. Then you can go ahead and grab the armrest sleeves and the headrest cover, which comes with the chair at no additional cost. They are optional. You don't need to use them, but you can if you want to protect the chair and get more life out of it. This chair has a 400-pound weight capacity, a 20-inch wide seat. It is a 3-position lift chair, and it has a 1-year labor contract included with the warranty, which means replacement parts will be installed and that labor fee will be covered. Pride Mobility will send a technician to your home as long as it's something that can be filed under as a warranty claim. We're going to demonstrate this 3-position lift chair. 3-position lift chairs basically have 3 positions. One is a standard seating position, which you can see here. The other is a completely reclined position where the chair is completely reclined back and the leg rests are fully extended. And the last position is the lifted up position, which allows the user to get out of the chair without using too much of their leg muscles or their back strength. It's very convenient, especially if you have a bad knee like I do. You don't have to really squat down too far. As you can see, the headrest cover can fall off a little bit when it's in the fully lifted up position, so just make sure it's there set in a right way so that it doesn't fall off. But as you can see, it's very easy to get in the chair and out of the chair when it's in the lifted position, and that's one of the main benefits of these power lift recliners. This is an FDA approved product. It's a class 2 medical device, which means it's very well tested through a quality assurance process that other standard furniture stores and the recliners that they sell simply do not go through. This is a superior product that's going to last you a very long time, comes with one of the best warranties in the industry, and it's priced very affordably. This is one of our most affordable lift chairs. Again, it's part of the Essential Collection. It's a power lift recliner made by one of the best manufacturers in the industry, Pride Mobility. We offer this chair again tax-free and with free shipping. You can learn more about this product on our website, www.mobilityscootersdirect.com. And if you like this video, please make sure to like it with the thumbs up button below. If you have any questions, we encourage you to drop a comment in the comment section below. And of course, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel where you can get notified whenever we release new videos just like this one. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day.